Welcome to Ronika Michelle. Thanks for watching. Hello, YouTube fam. It is Ronika Michelle here. I hope and pray that your day is going well. And if it's not going so well, I hope and pray that it gets better really soon. So today I am going to be showing the bird sound demo on Sleepjar. And I hope you enjoy it as much as I do. Make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe to the channel for more of these. Make sure you turn on your post notifications. That way you are alerted when a new video goes live. And I hope you enjoy this.
Welcome to Sleepjar. I can play many relaxing sounds, stories, journeys, and meditations, like thunderstorm or rain, or you can ask me for a list. You can also tell me two things to play at the same time. What would you like?
Bird. Stop. All right, that was the bird sound from Sleepjar. I absolutely love the sound of birds. It is the most therapeutic, healing sound for me. I often say that the sound of birds to me is like an instant mood booster. Because even if I don't feel the best, maybe wake up on the wrong side of the bed, or I'm just not having the greatest day, emotionally, mentally, physically, whatever, just that sound of birds instantly just lifts my spirit and lifts my mood. So I really hope that you guys enjoy it and that it brings some healing and some joy to you, just like it does for me. Again, make sure that you all comment, like, and subscribe, and turn on your post notifications so that you can get more of these. And always remember to walk in your wholeness because it looks good on you. Have a great day on purpose. Well, guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Please remember to like, comment, and subscribe. And remember to walk in your wholeness today.